I've been exploring the Bank of America debit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's start with the basics. The Bank of America debit card comes with no annual fee, which is great because it means you're not paying just to have the card in your wallet. It's linked directly to your Bank of America checking account, so every purchase you make is deducted right away. Now let's talk about some of the perks. One of the most popular features is the Keep the Change savings program. Every time you make a purchase, Bank of America rounds up your transaction to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference into your savings account. It's a simple way to save without even thinking about it, and over time, those small amounts can really add up. When it comes to security, Bank of America doesn't disappoint. The debit card comes with zero liability protection, which means you're not responsible for unauthorized transactions if you report them promptly. Plus, you can lock or unlock your card instantly through the mobile app if you misplace it or want to prevent any unwanted charges. There's also real-time fraud monitoring that helps catch suspicious activity before it becomes a problem. Additionally, the card also supports contactless payments, so you can just tap and go at checkout. This makes paying faster and more convenient, especially when you're on the move. And if you like using your phone, you can add the card to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay for even more flexibility. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, unlike credit cards, this debit card doesn't offer rewards points or cash back on your purchases. So if you're looking for a way to earn travel miles or cashback bonuses, this might not be the card for you. Additionally, since purchases come straight out of your checking account, it's important to keep an eye on your balance to avoid overdraft fees. To sum it up, the Bank of America debit card is a solid, no-frills option if you want a reliable, secure way to access your money and save a little with the Keep the Change program. But if you're after rewards or perks, you might want to explore other cards. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.